Hi friends, this video shows how to fix all network and internet related issues. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, go to general management, tap here, go down, go to reset, tap here, go down, go to reset mobile network settings, tap here. See the message, this will reset all mobile network settings. Tap on this reset settings button, then enter screen lock password. Again tap on this reset button. Done. See the message, network settings reset. After this reset operation, you can check network. Your network issue should be resolved. So this reset operation is safe. It will not delete any data from your phone. It just reset only the network settings. So this way we can reset network settings and fix all network and internet related issues. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.